Hi there, welcome to Small Farm Efficiency, where I try to find the best ways to save time, save space, and save money on small scale farms. My name's Alex, and I run a small farm in my backyard here on roughly an eighth of an acre. My background is in data analysis and statistics, and on this channel I apply that knowledge to small scale farming to try to find really efficient ways to do things and save time. One of the main things I want to focus on in this channel is experimentation. I like to track almost everything I can while I'm running my small scale farm. I put all of that information into spreadsheets and then really analyze it to see what I can do better, do more efficiently, and ways to save time, save space, and save money. One thing I've noticed is sort of lacking in the small farming community on YouTube are ways to really farm time efficiently rather than space efficiently. There are lots of demonstrations on how to farm in really tight spaces and really utilize that space in the best way possible, but that comes at the cost of spending a ton of time on things like washing, packing vegetables, your post-harvest, and I feel like a lot of YouTubers don't always share the exact amount of time they spend on things, but they just share how to do it. On this channel, I'd like to explore ways to do things space efficiently as well as time efficiently, and explore alternatives to a lot of the models of small-scale farming that include a lot of baby leafy greens and salad mixes. That type of growing is great because you can make a high profit, you can grow a lot of food, but it comes at the expense of spending a ton of time in post-harvest wash and pack stations and distribution to customers. One thing I'm really excited to experiment with is trying to find out just how little time I can spend farming by automating processes, doing things in a smart, efficient way in order to make a decent amount of money but not spend too much time. I'm really interested in the idea of passive farming, where a lot of your work is done up front at the start of the season, and then the maintenance during the season is relatively minimal while you still have money coming in from selling the vegetables without having to do a ton of extra work. In addition, I'll just be running tons of small experiments to answer questions that I've had that I haven't really been able to find resources on. I haven't been able to find answers on certain things on YouTube, and so I'm planning to just set up tons of little experiments, get some decent results, and share that with you guys. My goals for this channel are to help provide a lot of great information for people who might be interested in starting a small-scale farm, as well as helping improve people who are already farming on a small scale, get their processes more efficient, help them save time, make more money, and just have an all-around better operation. If you want to learn how to efficiently grow and sell vegetables on a small-scale farm, consider subscribing to my channel so you won't miss out on the results of any of my experiments. Thanks for watching. Bye!